Hi folks, and welcome to the DS Cars video channel. Here today, we've got a stunner here today for you. This is a 2018 Audi A4 Allroad, loaded with options. Finished in the Mythos Black, metallic. Loads of options on it, so it's very well spec'd, as I say. We've got the tech pack on it here to start with, which gives it the full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and the visibility lights or fog lights, all built in. LED indicators on 18-inch alloys. Roof rails there in the top, privacy glass in the back, power folding door mirrors, LED in the door mirrors as well, and we also then have the opening glass roof. Front half opens, back half's fixed, interior blind as well. Lovely options in this car. I say privacy glass in the rear, LED tail lights at the back, reversing camera as well. We've also got the loading protector there on the back bumper, great touch. Twin exhaust pipes. This is the 2-litre 190 brake horse model. Automatic 7-speed gearbox, 4-wheel drive. Allroad, it gives it that you get the wheel arch splats on her and the increased ground clearance. 4-pot brakes in the front. Stunning big car there. Then inside, she's keyless entry, keyless start, power folding door mirrors, front and rear electric windows, power folding door mirrors, heated door mirrors, button there to open the boot, and there's the start of the B&O sound system. Allroad sill plates. It's like a dark grey, it's not black, it's not light grey, it's like a dark grey, full leather interior, heated seats, leather steering wheel, also with these black trims. These are just normally aluminium. Push button start. Ooh. Radio controls down there. 7-speed auto, as I said there, 4-wheel drive, electric handbrake, auto hold. We've got 3-zone heating as well. Heated front seats. Screen up here, controlled with this wheel here, DAB radio. We've got CarPlay, Android Auto is all built in to this. We've got the Smart Link here. Has built-in sat nav as well, but if you're CarPlay or Android Auto, you're not going to need that. Also, reversing camera. As well. Say sat nav there as well. Telephone, and you can then stream as well. Again, CarPlay, Android Auto, you're not going to need that. All your functions through your phone. Hill descent, turn off the screen, turn off the parking sensors, turn off traction control, stop start, on and off, and then let your drive select. You'll just how you can go off-road if you wish. You select whatever mode, let the car decide. Again, the black piano finish trim along here. Again, these are normally aluminium. MMA unit in there, along with a passenger airbag switch off. Book pack in there as well. Cruise control down there. We have the floppy paddle gear changes there as well, and also then part of the tech pack you get the virtual cockpit. You can do all sorts of things. You can change the information that you see in the on those gauges. Center console, you've got a wireless charging pad and USB and auxiliary inputs in there. Probably best to get a little wireless dongle to make the CarPlay wireless. Then part of the B&O, we've got extra tweeters here in the doorpost. We normally only get one up there. Full sunroof. We've got the blind as well. You want to darken it down. So, cup holders here, they're at night, they will illuminate the bottom of the speakers. They will also light up. So there's a little light strip along the bottom of the speakers, nice touch. Wee cubby hole in there. Auto headlights. Front fog lights, or low visibility lights as Audi calls them, Volkswagen. Rear fog lights there as well. Auto headlights. You can see the miles now, 76,505. Good size cup. Storage bins there. No problem getting a water bottle in there, as long as you don't want to open the boot. B&O theme continued in the back. ISOFIX on the outer seats. We've got rear heating controls as well, and a power socket there as well in the back for charging. Storage nets in the backs of the seats. The center armrest folds out. Got storage in there, and we've got cup holders there as well. So, 190 brake horse engine, so we do have the AdBlue on this one. It's a loading protection strip along the bumper, nice touch. Electric boot. And the parcel shelf then automatically rises up on top of the boot. This one has a load liner in it. Plenty of space there. It's a 40-40-20 split rear seat there. Storage bins on the side. Little 12-volt socket in there to cool the beer. Shopping bag holders up there. Little storage net there too. Then in below boot floor, we've got an inflatable spare wheel. That's your air pump there. And then, of course, we've got the subwoofer then buried in below that as well. And then in the back half, we have the back half opens up there too, and you've got your spare wheel kit, lock and wheel nut, etc. in there. Height adjustable passenger seat as well. And guess who forgot to open the bonnet? So 4-cylinder 2-litre diesel, 190 brake horse, coupled to the 7-speed automatic 4-wheel drive. Loads of service history too with this car. Has just been serviced, is ready to go. New brake pads in the rear also. Comes with 6 months roadside assist warranty. Can extend it out 12-24 months if you so require. Finance available, good bad credit. We can sort something out for you. Very competitive rates at the minute. I'm sure you agree. It's a stunning big car. Somebody needs that versatility. Plenty of power, lovely smooth driving car, yet has the capability of a wee bit of off-road. Wouldn't say full off-road, but anyway, and loads of options. Whoever owned this, ordered this car new, ticked the boxes very nicely. Like I say, over £5,000 of options in this car whenever it was new. Makes it quite desirable. Stunning big car. Alright folks, you made it this far, you're still awake. Leave your wee hand over, hit the thumbs up button, and hit the subscribe button. You've been notified as and when more stuff comes into stock. Alright folks, many thanks for watching.